Hi, welcome to Virtual Construction Assistance Weekly Tips and Tricks. Our tip for this week is about responding to an email message with a calendar meeting. Have you ever encountered a long thread of emails and then realized that it needs to have a meeting? Or perhaps your client asks you to schedule a meeting based on the agenda sent an email. Well, rather than sending a separate email for a calendar invitation, we can turn that email message to a meeting right away. Here's how. Let's say your boss or client sent an email asking you to schedule a meeting with a specific date and time. In that email, go ahead and click the meeting button in the Respond group up top under Home tab. Instead of just another email, a meeting invitation is created. Everyone in that email is added, and so are the subject line and the entire email thread. You can add or delete attendees, change the subject, or even add an agenda or information. Go ahead and set the right date and time. Review everything and then click Send. Let's check the sent items. Yes, it's there. We're all set. See, it's very efficient. It helps avoid redundant tasks and multiple emails to the recipient's inbox. That's all for this week. See you again on the next episode of VCA Tips and Tricks.